now take out your term 1 book. Yes, term 1 book, and open to page number 34. You will find this page. Okay, we are going to do page number 34 and 35. We are going to revise all the letters that we have learnt. Are you ready? Children, let's start our activity. Yes, the first question is circle the letter for the given picture. There are some pictures here, and under each picture there are some letters. So you have to see the picture and circle which is the correct letter. Okay, let's see the first picture. That is an X-ray. Very good. X-ray begins with which letter, children? Is it X, C or D? X-ray begins with letter X. Very good. So can we make a circle around it? That's nice. Well done. What is this picture? These are insects. Insects begins with letter I. Super. Let's make a circle around letter I. That's good. Very good, children. And what are these? These are vegetables. Vegetables begins with letter V. Yes? Let us circle letter V. Okay, here we go. Wow, very good. Now this picture, what is this picture? Well, that's a well. Can you tell me with which letter well begins? Is it W, V or L? W, letter W. W makes the W sound. Well, the first sound that you hear is W. Letter W. Super. Oh, what is this picture? This is a zebra crossing. Zebra crossing begins with which letter, children? Zebra crossing. What is the first sound you hear? Z. Which letter will make that sound? Letter Z. That's nice. Zebra crossing begins with letter Z. Now can we go to the next activity? Yes, let's see what is this. Match the letter to the given picture. See, there are two columns. This column has all letters and this column has all pictures. So you have to match the correct picture to the correct letter. What is this first letter? Letter V. Very good. Oh, now let's see which is the correct picture matching for it. Is it X-ray? No. Zebra? No. How about this picture? What is this? Volcano. Yes, volcano begins with letter V. The first sound you hear is V. Volcano. Yes, so let's match. Draw a line from letter V to volcano. Very good. Which is the next letter? That is letter W. Now let's see the pictures again. Is it X-ray? No. With letter W, will zebra start? No. Then igloo. Igloo begins with letter W? I don't think so. Oh, what is this last picture? It's a watermelon. Watermelon. Does it begin with letter W? Yes, excellent. Well done, children. So let's match it. Draw a line from letter W to the picture watermelon. Now let's go to letter I. That's great. That is letter I. Which picture is matching to letter I? Igloo? Yes, E. Igloo. Letter I also makes the E sound. So let's match letter I to igloo. How about this letter? What letter is this? X. That's great. X makes the X sound. Just like the X-ray. X. X-ray. Okay, let's match it. That's good. Very good. And only one letter is left. Which letter is this? Letter Z. Z is for zebra. Yes, zebra. Z. The first sound you hear is Z, just like the letter Z. So let's match letter Z and zebra. Okay, we have finished the first two activities. Children, let's go to the next page. Yes, let's see what is this activity now. Yeah, so many pictures here. Write the small letter for the given picture. Write the small letter. So can you see these small lines here? On these lines you have to write the correct letter for the picture. What picture is this? Zip. That's good. Zip begins with which letter? Z. That's great. So can we write letter Z? Sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Letter Z. What is this picture, children? That's an ink pot. What is that? Ink pot. Ink pot begins with letter I. Let's write letter I. Standing line and a dot. Standing line and a dot. Letter I. Wow, what is this? Violin. Violin. Which is the first letter? V. Very good. So let's write letter V here. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Letter V. Oh, what fish is this? What is the name of this fish? X-ray. Fish. X-ray, fish. Which letter does it begin with? Letter X. Slanting line down and a slanting line down. Letter X. Excellent, children. We have only one more picture left here. What is that? Watch. That's a watch. Watch begins with what? Which sound? W. Okay. So the letter is W. Slanting line down, slanting line up, slanting line down and slanting line up. Letter W. Very good. We have completed that activity. Let's go to the last activity. Yes? Okay. Circle the pictures for the given letter. Here we have one letter and many pictures next to that letter. You have to see which is the correct picture for that letter. Okay, don't look at other pictures now. We will only do the first line. Which letter is this? Letter I. Okay, now see the pictures. Here we have a flower, igloo, X-ray, iguana. So letter I, and see which are the correct pictures for this letter I. Is it flower? No, I don't think so. How about the igloo? Yes, igloo begins with letter I. So let's make a circle around igloo. How about X-ray? Does X-ray begin with letter I? No. How about iguana? Yes, iguana begins with letter I. Let's circle iguana. Okay, very good. Now which is the next letter, children? W. The next letter is W. Let's look at the pictures next to this letter. What is this? Ink pot. Does ink pot begin with W? No. How about wheel? Yes, wheel begins with letter W. So let's make a circle around wheel. Very good. And what is this? Ice creams. Ice cream begins with letter W? No. How about web? Yes, web begins with letter W. Let's make a circle around the web. Let's go to the next letter. Letter Z. See the pictures next to letter Z? What is this? Zigzag. Zigzag. Does it begin with letter Z? Yes, it does. So let's make a circle around zigzag. What is this? Violin. Violin, does it begin with letter Z? No, it starts with the V sound. So it doesn't begin with letter Z. What about this? Ink pot? No, ink pot also doesn't begin with letter Z. Look at the last picture. It's a zoo. Zoo. Zoo begins with the sound Z. It is the same as the letter Z. Okay, so let's circle zoo. Very good. You just have one more line left. Last line. Which letter is this? V. Very good. Clever children. What is this picture? Whistle. Whistle. Whistle does not begin with letter V. So we will not circle it. What is this picture, children? Van. 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 Van also begins with letter V. So let's circle it. Very good. Watch. Watch. Does watch begin with letter V? No. And the last one, that's a bird. Do you know the name of that bird? Vulture. Vulture. Vulture begins with the sound V. Vulture. So it is the same as letter V. Vulture. So let us circle it, children. Yes, very good. Wow, we have completed our activity. So children, I hope today's class has helped you to revise and remember all the letters that you have learnt with their sounds, words, and also how to write those letters. Okay children, take good care of yourself and always keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye.